Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing very well. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the WILP exam pattern that is from Wipro. So you might already be aware that Wipro is currently hiring for Wipro WILP program. They have started the hiring. So if you have not yet applied for it, please make sure to apply for it. I have already uploaded a video related to the hiring. I regularly upload videos related to off-campus hiring on my channel. If you have not checked that, make sure to check the latest updates, and I will also add the link in the description box to apply. If you have not yet applied, make sure to apply. Also make sure to press the bell icon so that you get the latest off-campus updates from our channel. So let's start with our discussion. So in this video we are going to discuss the complete test pattern, what should be the preparation strategy that you should follow, number of questions that you can get in the exam, and the number of interview rounds in the exam. So let's start. So Wipro is hiring BCA, BSc freshers through the WILP program, that is Work Integrated Learning Program. So this is a program which Wipro has released for BCA and BSc freshers students. So WILP is a unique learning integrated program which offers BCA and BSc students a chance to build a remarkable career at Wipro while pursuing their higher education in MTech from a premier educational institution in India sponsored by Wipro. So you get a chance to pursue your MTech through Wipro. So again, very good opportunity. So let's see the educational qualifications required to be eligible for Wipro WILP program. So the eligible qualifications are as such: you have to be 10th standard, you have to pass your test 10th standard. You should be passed in your 12th standard. Graduation should be 60% or 6 CGPA above as applicable by the university guidelines. Bachelors of Computer Applications BCA, Bachelors of Science. Eligible streams are Computer Science, Information Technology, Mathematics, Statistics, Electronics and Physics. So these are the educational qualifications. If you satisfy these qualifications, definitely go ahead and apply for it. If you have any doubts related to any of the details, you can ask in the comment section, and there are a lot of students who already have got selected through this WILP program. They can also guide you in the comment section, and I will also guide you through your queries. Moving ahead to the next, Wipro test pattern. So basically how many test pattern, how many rounds are there in the Wipro exam. So all the online assessment qualified candidates will be required to go through a technical interview followed by an HR interview. So first round will be your online assessment. If you clear that online assessment, you will have your technical and HR interview in the second round. Moving ahead, let's see the exam patterns. So you will have aptitude 20 questions, and you will be having 20 minutes in order to solve those 20 questions. Next section, you will have logical reasoning. For logical reasoning, you will have 20 questions and 20 minutes for solving those logical reasoning questions. Again, in English, you will have 30 questions and 20 minutes to solve those 30 questions. English or verbal ability kinds of questions will be there. Next thing is written communication test. So for written communication test, there will only be one single question, and you will have 20 minutes to solve that question. Now we are going to see what all are the topics that you have to study from each section, right? So from aptitude, what all are the topics that you have to study, from reasoning and English or verbal ability and so on. So we are going to see that now. So from quantitative aptitude, you have to read all these topics, that is probability, clocks and calendars, permutations and combinations, number system and SCF and LCM, percentages, allegations and mixtures, ratio, proportions and averages, work and time, series and progression, time, speed, distance, equations, reasoning, geometry. So these are the topics for quantitative aptitude. Moving on to the topics of logical reasoning: coding, deductive logic, blood relations, directional sense, objective reasoning, odd man out, statement and conclusion, analogy and classification, coding and number series, seating arrangement, data sufficiency, inferred meaning, logical word sequence, data arrangement, syllogism, mathematical order. So for all these topics, if you are confused about what to prepare, where to prepare, I am going to upload videos wherein I will be solving the previous year's questions of Wipro WILP, and you can watch that video and practice on yourself, so that you will have a practice of solving the entire paper. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the regular updates from my channel. And the next section, let's see the questions from verbal ability or English section. So synonyms and antonyms, contextual vocabulary, jumbled sentence, inferential and literal comprehension, sentence formation, error identification, sentence improvement and construction, subject-verb agreement, tenses and articles, preposition and constructions, speech and voices, reading comprehension, comprehension ordering. So these are some of the topics from verbal ability. Again, I am going to upload videos related to all the topics wherein we will be discussing some questions and we will see the answer and how to solve these questions. Next, the fourth round which you will have is the fourth topic for your online written test will be your written communication test. In this round, you have to write an essay on a given topic. So there will be a given topic and you have to write an essay. So this will be your written communication test round. So with this, we have discussed the entire test pattern, and if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. You can even join us on Telegram and Instagram. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the latest regular updates. As we have already discussed, I am going to upload videos related to solved questions of previous year's Wipro Will program. So if you are not aware about from where to prepare, you can check and study from those videos. So thank you and all the best, and you will get all the relevant links in the description box. If you have not applied yet, please make sure to apply to the Wipro Will program, and there are many off-campus opportunities which I regularly upload. Many companies are hiring at this point of time also. So if you have not checked those videos, make sure to check those videos too. Thank you.
If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get all the relevant links in the description box.